Very, very important suggestions and feedback we have received. To sum up, many, I think 90% of the suggestion and feedbacks have come on the project finance side and 5 to 10% on the retail side. Yes, President Sir, Kradai President Sir has asked the cost involved in the start of the projects are very huge, and the permissions, various permissions, license, RERA approvals, it involves huge cost. But obviously, I think any project finance, I think we are not taking into the considerations while doing the processing of the proposals. Of course, sir, this is a very, very valid suggestions. I think it involves the policy decision. We are definitely working on this. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu, sir, has asked the more support. Obviously, sir, we are here to support entire builders fraternity here. State Bank always supporting the builders. We will be there at any cost, whatever the builder's requirement is there. We are here to fulfill that. The valid questions, so many questions our Chalapati Rao sir has raised. When will we going ahead, the 8%, we are at 8%. When will be going to 18%? When will be reaching the 18%? Sir, obviously, sir, it is our endeavor. I hope with all your support, I take my permission from our CMCs also. By 2025, within 3 or 4 years, we will be reaching, sir. And our corporate policy is also that it has to be double within 3 years, next 3 years. So obviously we are working on that, and obviously 8 to 18% definitely we are aiming, sir, in next 3 or 4 years. Rate of interest for the project finance, as many of us has heard here, that is, I think it is a policy matter again. I think we need to take up with our corporate center. Definitely, sir. We will take up with the corporate center. Collateral, that is the main issues. Collateral, why we require the collaterals when we are giving the sufficient number of the collateral, primary securities. When we are giving primary security, why you require the collateral security? So obviously, I think we have to think on that. Definitely, we will take up this as a policy matter. We have to take up this. We at this juncture, we will not be in a position to now give the definite requirement, definite the commitment on this. GST issues also told. GST, obviously, yes. After completion of the project, when we receive the completion certificate, obviously customers need not have to pay the GST. It has to be borne by the builders. Yes, it is a Government of India's policy. I hope the builders are inbuilding this also at the time of selling also. Needs separate product, obviously, sir. We are working on this. Definitely we'll work on this. Hyderabad city, definitely I think it requires some kind of new products. I hope this will be this a very good suggestion what Sir Chalapati Rao sir has given to us. We will definitely work on this, sir. And Prabhakar Rao sir has raised some issues, small issues at the time of the approval of the projects are getting delayed. Yes, sir, we agree with this, whatever your views, how we have taken up this. But as somebody is mentioned in this forum, that if the project is approved by SBI, so it is treated as good as approved by everyone. So little bit, sir, because people have got lot of trust on us. Customer, whoever is buying the property, lot of trust. We know that the other banks, what they are doing, the moment the project launch, they are going with the approval letters. Okay, that we are also doing, but with little bit cautions, because customers have got lot of trust on us. Delay in approval, of course, sir. We also agree that lot of delays are there earlier, but now In the cities, we have made 4 project approval teams in the cities. I think in coming days you will see the past, and we are also requesting all our advocates who are empaneled with us and also valuers to fasten the process so that we can improve on this. And as some builders has asked the valuation during the running of the projects, we are doing the announcement of the valuations whenever prices are going up, and as per the agreement of sale, whatever is there, we are reviewing that as and when it is required. And I don't think any customers is denied of the total project cost whatever has been mentioned in the agreement of sales. So these are all the major questions, suggestions and feedback we have received. So I thank you one and all for raising this wonderful various feedbacks and suggestions, and some of them are beyond our this forum. We will take up with this with our corporate center, and we will escalate also, so that these feedbacks and suggestions are taken on the right time, and will ensure that the builders' requests and suggestions are met within a very short time. Thank you very much.